Welcome back to Sonic Crafts by Maria. Today I've had requests from my son's friends for some D&D dice. So I'll be making them today. I know I've already made these on my channel, but I think I'm just going to record everything I make. And since they requested a set, black, silver and white, and greens and browns in the other one. And also, I've sold my little octopus on eBay, so I'm going to make another one of him. So I thought I'll do these today. So, I'll go and get mixed up, and I'll bring you back. See you soon. I've mixed up 240 mils of resin, and I've coloured them. This is silver. It's called Silver Grey. It's the Toyo colours. This one is the Team U Chameleon Powder, blue, purple, red. This one is the Flash Green from Toyo. And then this one is the chocolate from Toyo. And I've left some clear because I thought I'd do one squirt of each colour and then like the clear as well. I've also cut my pipettes down ready so it can suck up the thicker resin. Right, let's start with silver and blue. I have sprayed these with 99% alcohol. I'm only putting a little bit in each because I want to put obviously 3 different colours with the clear. I wonder what effect this will give. Right, now I need the blue. I couldn't believe when my son said, oh, my friend wants some dice. I thought, oh no, 4 hours of doing the numbers, but it's going to be a lot easier this time because I've got the Artex pens. I didn't have them last time, so we'll soon see how easy it is. It doesn't matter if they go over because obviously they need to a little bit anyway to get the numbers from the lids. However, I am going to do blue on the lid. And with whatever I've got left over, I'll just make characters. Obviously, I've got to make the octopus because I need to replace the one I've just sold on eBay. I need to get some room in my craft room. That's why I originally put them on. But if it's going to help me get some pennies for towards the channel, then that's even better. Right, that's them ones. Now these ones are brown and green. They have been through my bubble machine, but it doesn't seem to matter with this mould because it does tend to catch some bubbles. This will cause it to have paper thin resin over pour, which is so easy to get off, so don't be afraid, like I was the very first time. Right, there's the lid, and that is on. Lovely. Now I've got some really strange colour combination for my octopus. Right, we'll start with what colour? Grey. Let's try and do a grey and a blue one if there's enough. These colours are so shimmery because they're pearlescent colours. They are really, really pretty colours. Right, hopefully we'll have enough just to use the blue. Do I put some clear in here? Yeah. Oh, his tentacles are going to be like clear. That's going to be cool. That'd be so cool if he crackles. Well, this video will be part of the All Aboard Friendship Express train. It's a group of friends who post videos on a Saturday, and once a month we do I think it's the second Saturday of the month, I heard somebody say the other day. So thanks for that information. So it's the second Saturday, I believe, but don't hold me to it because I may have heard wrong. But if it is, it's the second Saturday of the month we do a themed collaboration. But the rest of the month, on Saturdays, we post whatever we want, which is a really, really cool collaboration. I do like posting what I want and still being part of the friendship group. It's really nice. Right, I've got to find a character now to put these little bits in. Oh, I think I might make my dragon. Bear with me. Right, I got him here. I absolutely love this mould. He is my favourite. Right, where's my stick that's in the clear? Right, let's do blue up the sides and up the back. So we'll have a multicoloured dragon, why not? And hopefully some cool dice, but we'll see. I'm going to scrape out the blue. Such a pretty colour, these Temu chameleons as well. Obviously I like them because I keep using them. I'm going to have plenty for it. That's really good. It only takes like 70 mils, I think. I think that's just what I've written on the bag. And on the bottom of him, these little paper cups I'm using. When my daughter was younger, she had a ice drinks. I can't remember what they're called now, but she had one of those little make your own. And these come with that. And I kept them, but obviously she's a lot older now, so you don't have that machine. Right, I've got a couple of extras. I've now got a couple of flowers ready for my bears. So I managed to get another dragon and a few flowers and my octopus, as well as the dice. So I'm happy today. I'm just going to let these cure up naturally. I'm not going to put them in the curing machine. And I'll bring you back when they're ready to demould. See you soon. Hiya, well, it's all ready to demould. I've taken the lids off the dice and I've peeled all of the, like the overspill, which is like paper thin. This is what it turns out like, and you just peel it off. It comes off really well. When I first used these, I thought it was going to take, I don't know if you can see, but there's the number indented in the dice, and I actually thought it was going to peel off the number when I first did it, but it doesn't. You're safe. And if you hear banging and things like that, I've got people working next door on the house. And it's been the whole time. I have waited to do my video. However, they don't seem to be stopping. So I thought I'll just come up and do it anyway. Hopefully we can take some of it out. Right, let's do little Mr. Octopus first. Let's see if we can just get his head out. Oh, wow. Wow. He's cool. Do his little eyes. Might even put top hat on this one. That's brilliant. Lovely. Right, let's do my favourite. Oh, there's probably going to be bubbles galore, but I did this like marbly. You saw how I did it. I don't need to explain it. Yeah, a few bubbles in the spikes. I never put 99% alcohol in this one. Oh, but he is super cool. Oh, I love it. I can sort out the spikes, no bother. Oh no, he's really, really cool. He's got lots of bubbles in him. His fingers everywhere. The other one didn't have any. But that's fine. I sprayed 99% alcohol in that one, so this one I didn't. So that's the key, guys, I think. But he's super cool. Right, let's do... Oh yeah, and I did demold these last night actually, when I came to check on the rest. That flower, I think I bought 3 flower molds from Amazon. They were like $5.99 for the 3. And that's come out beautiful. And this one's my usual one that sits on my bear. Right, now the dice. Let's have a look. Still a little bit paper thin resin on it, but that's fine. Alright, these are the blue and silver ones. Ooh, nice. Blue, silver and clear. Ooh, it's lovely. That's one. Lovely. Blue and silver. I will take pictures at the end when all the numbers are done and everything. Oh, this is the one that I hated doing the numbers. Because there's 3 numbers on each side of the triangle. Brilliant. And this dice has got 20 numbers on it. They're really nice. Well, I'm really happy with them. Right. These were green and brown, weren't they? Nice. Tell you what, these are so easy to demold. Oh, that's nice. I like that effect. They're 20-sided dice. And my Luna is in here with me today because she gets a bit stressed with the banging and the drilling. So I'm not gonna keep her out of the bathroom today. She can stay in with me. Alright, 3 more, and then is to do the numbers. So all in all, I'm really happy with them. They've turned out brilliant. No holes, which was fantastic. Put the lid back on that one so no dust gets in there. Or glitter particles, because they get everywhere, as you all know. I'm just going to pack away my dragon mould so he doesn't get the same. And yes, it does say 70 mils on the bottom of him. So it does take 70 mils, that dragon mould. Shame about the bubbles in this one. But that's fine. I know I've got a spray. That was also getting quite thick as well when I poured the dragon. However, I'm really happy because the main things that I wanted to do in this video, they are done and they look good. So I'm happy. I just got to paint on the numbers and his eyes. I might not do much with the dragon because he's going to be in my room anyway. He's going to be my little craft buddy. I'm not going to bring you back anymore. What I'll do is I will show you pictures at the end of the numbers all been painted and his eyes being painted. I'll keep the video down so it's not so long, so you don't have to sit through it all and get bored. So that is me done for today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video, please give me a like. A thumbs up is always appreciated and it helps boost my channel. And also, if you would like to subscribe, I'd love that too. So thanks a lot. Give me a subscribe, like and comment. Thanks. Take care. Bye. Pour the color